Just went in for routine blood tests and noticed that my white blood cell count was going down.
I think something is wrong. The blood cells are down because one of the cells, I think they call it a mutation, I think.
An abnormal clone of cells.
A mutant gene that interrupts the development of the white blood cells.
At this point in time, there was no prescribed treatment for this.
The implication and the consults that he got were basically just wait until it becomes leukemia and then we would treat it.
There were a lot of tears and a lot of uncertainty. My daughter cried. She said, "Daddy, are you going to die?"
But if you really want to do some research, there's Dr. Kelly Bolton over at Washington University in St. Louis, who is enrolling people in a study with people that have the same chromosome deletion as you.
My hematologist at Stanford Healthcare discovered the study and asked me if I'd like to be a part of it. And of course I said, absolutely, sign me up.
There's a trial going on. Dr. Bolton, oh, she's a darling.
I'm an assistant professor of medicine at Washington University, and I'm a medical oncologist. A lot of the work that my lab does is trying to understand genetic predisposition that eventually lead them later to develop leukemia. We're trying to see if we can resolve their abnormal blood counts with treatment with ivosidenib.
This drug and this treatment program has truly changed my life.
That trial really is preventative. It's a preventative trial.
My endocrinologist, who does a blood test every 3 months, began to notice that my blood levels were declining. I think it's really important for studies to look to how we can find ways to treat cancer at the earliest possible stages so it doesn't advance.
Because I really think this trial is going to be paradigm shifting for the treatment of clonal cytopenia.
Being enrolled in this program has given me a whole new lease on life.
We have patients all over the country in both urban areas and rural locations.
The decentralized patient gathering is tremendous.
We thought we could deploy this as a decentralized trial. Patients get their normal care by their provider in the community.
They ship me the medication.
It's all done FedEx.
Get my medication, Dr. Bolton calls, make sure everything is okay.
We conduct study visits over the phone or over Zoom, just to make sure that people are safe and they're doing well. Participants don't have to travel to WashU to participate in their care.
I mean, everybody at WashU has been great. I can't say enough about what the Gateway, Foundation has done, and especially partnering with a superb physician like Dr. Bolton and her team.
When you have a good set of doctors, people that care, let me tell you, that makes a big difference.
The results have given me hope, because ever since I've been on the medication, my neutrophil count has been up into the low to mid-range normal.
My daughter just hugged me when she discovered that the blood levels had returned to normal.
Hope means a lifetime for me, a second lease on life.
The trial that I'm in is giving me hope that I'm going to see my daughter get married soon, we hope. And I'm looking forward to paint many, many more paintings, enjoy many years with my wife and my kids, and maybe a few grandkids along the way.
Saving lives, look, you cannot do anything better than give somebody a life back.
Gateway is essential to improving the health of the world.
Gateway's ability to provide the funding for this trial has saved my life, in my opinion.
The clinical trial really wouldn't have happened otherwise without your support.
I don't have to have the fear of my children losing me, my wife losing me, and that gives me a great deal of comfort. Now that I have hope, they have hope, and they have the ability to see forward into their lives that I'm going to be around for a long time.